Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Redwood City local and long-distance movers near me. With a professional moving company on your team, moving day will be over in no time. At 3 Movers, we offer every moving service that you will need. We make sure to always arrive on time to get moving day underway as early as we can. To make the moving day even less stressful, we offer highly competitive rates, along with a free quote for our excellent services. 3 Movers can handle your long-distance move. We use protective packaging to keep your valuables safe for the long journey. Whether you are moving out of state or internationally, you can be sure your long-distance move will go as smoothly as possible. If you're moving locally to a new home or office, you've saved yourself some of the trouble of a big move. Regardless, all of your things need to be packed and moved anyway. Our expert movers at 3 Movers can get your move done in just one day. After only a few hours, you will be packed and unpacked into your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Redwood City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.